Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. Right now I'm standing outside of a Mazda CX-5. But let's talk about the hot summer days as those coming up, because I know they're great to be outdoors, but the part I hate about hot summer days is walking out to your car after the sun's beating it down and it's all hot and mucky inside and you sweat to death just like that. Now, wouldn't it be nice if you can use your key fob and roll down your windows in advance, so when you get out there in a couple minutes, all the hot air is out and you feel a lot more comfortable? Let me show you how to plan ahead right now. All right, so here we are right outside the Mazda now. Simply get your key fob with you guys, okay? So to let you guys know, you cannot accidentally enable this feature. You have to purposely do it. It's because of the amount of times you hit the unlock button. So you'll be looking for unlock. You're gonna tap unlock 3 times and hold it down for the 4th time. The longer you hold it down, the further down your windows will go, okay? So I know other brands, you can actually hit it just twice on the 2nd time you hold it, and then some people get a little cracked window action, then it rains. That's terrible, but Mazda thought about a way to prevent that from happening. Let's give you a quick, nice little visual. 1, 2, 3, and hold, and watch it all happen. There we go, windows come right down. I meant to do it. Wada bing, wada boom, guys. All right, we'll see you at the next Mazda video. Bye-bye.